two bricks can be placed together face to face to form three different rectangular prisms. Two of them are shown here. What would be the measurements of the third prism? So you got this one, first one, and the second one. So we need to rearrange to make the third one. Okay, so what we do, the only way I can do is I move one of the bricks, and let's say I do this one here, and I put in front of this. Okay, so I just go put in front here. Okay, so that's what I do. So if you got that, let's say something like that. Okay, so it just connects. So this is what it is. So I got another brick put in front, so this is gone. So if you think about it, okay, this side is same as this side, which is 22 centimeters. The height is 8 centimeters. And because it's 10, another 10, so altogether be 20. So which one is the dimension for that? Okay, 22 by 8 by 20. So 22 by 20 by 8. Okay, this is the answer. Move on. Okay, Peter wants to paint his bedroom walls. What information best help him to decide how much paint to need to buy? Okay, so what we need to do, we look at the first one is volume of the room. Now we don't want volume. Capacity of the room. Capacity is similar to volume, so we don't need that. Perimeter of the walls, we don't need the perimeter. Area of the walls, that's right, because we paint the house, so we need to find the area. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, the length of Robin's soccer field is 125 meters. Robbins is making a scale model of the field using the ratio of 1 to 500. Now 1 to 500, what that means, this is map. Okay, this is map, and this is, okay, actual scale. Okay, actual scale. So in real life, it's actually 500 times larger than the map. Now what we need to do, we're going to scale down so it can draw on the map, right? So 500 times. So therefore, we're going to make it smaller so I can fit in the paper or the model. So we must divide by 500, okay? Now, the problem with this is because the answer, all answer is centimeters, so the 125 meters, so we need to convert that into centimeters. So 125, okay, meters is the same as 1,200, 12,500 centimeters. Okay, that's what I meant. Now, then I need to divide it by 500 because it's going to reduce. So if I go divide by 500, all right, so you get me, if you use calculator do that, okay, if you divide by 500, and what you should get is 25. Okay, so that's what you got. Okay, next. The value of y is given by the rule is y equal 4x squared. What is the value of y when x is 1.5? So when x is 1.5, what that means, every time you see x, you replace with 1.5. So the rule is y equal 4 minus x squared. But in this time, x is 1.5, so I just put 1.5. Okay, open bracket, just in case, if it's negative, okay, it fixes the problem. So if you type that in your calculator, okay, you would have get 1.75. That's your answer. Okay? Now, next one. Okay, so it said here, between 2003 and 2006, internet use in Australia increased by about how much? Okay, let's have a look. So 2003, okay, it's 12.21 million. Okay, and 2006 is 14.8 million. Now to find the increase, so we just find the difference. So 14.28 minus 12.21, and you calculate, you just type it out, you should get 2.07, okay, million people. So therefore, it's roughly about 2 millions, okay? All right? Okay, next one. Okay, Justin collects football cards. He sells some of his cards. The price are listed here. Okay, so they got all these price. What is their mean, which is average price? So there are two ways to do it. Because you're allowed to use calculator, you either can use statistic mode and enter this number in and just look for the average, which is X bar. All right? Now, if you don't know how, you can, of course, watch my video on how to use calculator, and then it'll help you. Now, otherwise, I can just add them up. Okay, so I got 3, I just add 3, okay, plus 2 lots of 5, which is 10, add 2 lots of 8, which is 16, okay, add 1, 2, 3, which is 30, and then add 40. Now, do not forget, now some students, they put divided by like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, divided by 9. Now, if you do that, you're wrong, because you would add 3, 10, 16, 30, and then add 40 divided by 9. So your answer would be wrong, okay? So you have to be open bracket and close bracket. That means the whole lot divided by 9. Or just your calculator. So if you do this, okay, your answer should be 11. All right? Now, next one. This label on the size of the bottle juice, all right? So if you look at this, so 100 milliliters, okay, it will contain 182 kilo juice. So every bottle, per bottle means every bottle, okay, you have 648 kilo juice. So what was the size of the bottle of juice to the nearest milliliters? So you need to work out, because it's a bottle, it contains 648 kilo juice. So what I know is 100 milliliters, it gives me, okay, 182 kilo juice. Okay? Now, I want, because a bottle is 648 kilo juice. So I need to find the scale factor from here to here, from 182 all the way to 684. How many times is that? So time by what to give me this? So what I do, I just use calculator, 684 divided by 182. So if you divide by that, you get 3.56, right? So therefore, from 182 to 648, you will have to time 3.56. So therefore, because I time 3.56 on the right here, I need to time 3.56 on the left as well. Okay? So if you do that, your answer should be 356 milliliters. So that's your answer. So this is the answer. Okay? Next one. Okay. So now, when this kettle is full of water, it has a mass of 2,900 grams. So 2,900 grams when it's full. Okay? When the kettle is half full, the water has a mass of 2,050 grams. What is the mass of the kettle when it is empty? So we need to find the mass of this kettle, okay, when there is no water in it. Now, the way to go about this is, because half full of the water is this, and then when it's half full with water, okay, is that. So what we need to do, we find a difference, okay. So if you find a difference, okay, it will give you half full of the water, okay, just water only. So we're going to minus it. So you're allowed to use calculator, so you just minus 0.2050, okay. You should get 850 grams. Okay, now 850 grams, you know what that means? This means that 850 grams is only water, okay. So water weight this much only, doesn't include kettle. So what I do, because this is full, okay, it will have this much, including the cattle. So I need to find the full cattle first. So what I do, 850, I times by 2, okay, I will get 1,700 grams. That is just the weight of the water, okay. Now, the question says, what is the weight of the cattle? So all I need to do, okay, the cattle and the water itself is 2900 and minus 1700. So you should get 1200 grams. That's the answer. So 1200 grams. All right. Next one. This picture shows the positions used in the sport of fencing. Which list shows the three angles F, G, H in increasing order of its size? So increasing means from the smallest angle, okay, from increasing. Increasing order means from the smallest angle to the largest angle. So by looking at this, the smallest angle in this here is H, okay, so H. And then followed by G, because G is look like 90 degree, and this one F is obtuse. So we could start with start with H, and then G, and then F. H, G, F. Where is H, G, F? Yeah, the first one, H, G, F. Yeah, so that's the answer. All right, last one. Okay. Now, a bag contains 50 colors marbles. This table shows how many marbles of each color are in the bag, okay? You got red, you got yellow, orange, green, and blue. One marble is picked at random from the bag. What is the probability of the marbles being red or yellow? Now, you don't have to add them up because the questions, okay, already said that altogether is 50. You don't have to add them up. If you add them up, you get 50 as well, okay? Now, there's just one marble select. So you got red, you want either red or yellow. So red is 10, yellow is 15. So the chance getting a red or yellow is 15 out of 50. Okay, if I scale up to 100, because it's probability if there one decimal point, or just you calculate 15 divided by 50, that will give you the answer. But if I scale up to 100, that give me 30. 30 over 100 is 0.3. That is your answer. Okay, thank you so much for watching.